Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 722, and today's topic of the lecture is medicinal value and health benefits of walnut oil. Walnut itself is getting lot of popularity nowadays because of the two reasons. One is that it is very rich vegetable source of omega-3, that is alpha linoleic acid, and omega-6, that is linoleic acid. These two fatty acids are very important compounds to fight inflammation and free radicals, that is called antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. And the second is that it is rich in other vitamins like vitamin E and B complex. So overall, this walnut oil is very much helpful for our skin health, because the latest publication indicates that the uppermost layer of our skin is the structural unit of omega-6 fatty acid, and the lower layer of our skin is the structural unit of omega-3 fatty acids. So if you are taking walnut, and this is very important for those people who are not taking meat or fish, means those who are vegetarian strictly. So once they take this walnut oil, the deficiency of this omega-3 fatty acid and omega-6 fatty acid can be reduced, and also they can maintain their skin health. Secondly, nowadays even doctors, they are recommending to take walnut oil or walnut itself, the dry fruit, to reduce or to balance the cholesterol level in the body. And when I am saying cholesterol level, means there are two type of lipid. One is that is called high density lipoprotein, that is HDL, and the other one is called low density lipoprotein, that is called LDL. So once it is the walnut oil is taken, it will drastically reduce the bad cholesterol, that is low density lipoprotein. And once low density lipoprotein is reduced, there will not be inflammation, permeability of our arteries, and drastically it will reduce the chance of heart attack and stroke, because our arteries will not be inflamed. And let me make it very clear here, inflammation of our body is the mother of all diseases. Very simple. So we have to take such type of vegetable, fruit, and even non-vegetable like fish and other meat like liver, so that in our body the oxidative stress is drastically reduced, means the free radical formation is neutralized, and inflammation is also drastically reduced. Because once you are suffering from inflammation means swelling, rashes on skin, sometimes here and there joint pain, is all indication of inflammation. And once you are having inflammation, means our body immune system cells, they are fighting the virus and bacteria continuously. So if you are taking a walnut oil and walnut fruit itself, means you are drastically reducing the inflammation. Because once there is inflammation, means some chemicals are produced, they are pro-inflammation, and once the pro-inflammation chemicals are more, then only you are getting swelling or joint pain. So these walnut oils, they are so powerful that they will not allow the production of pro-inflammation chemicals. So in this way, this your walnut dry fruit as well as walnut oil is very powerful in dealing with inflammation and antioxidant. Also, it plays very important role as an anti-cancerous oil, because cancerous means that in your body the multiplication of abnormal cells, cancer cells are more. Otherwise, in everybody is the carrier of cancer cells. Only our immune system is maintaining. And if in case anybody is having cancer, in one sentence we can say, it means his immune system is totally failed or failing, because they are not able to capture and neutralize the abnormal cells. And abnormal cells are only produced when the free radicals are active, once you are having oxidative stress. So today's medicinal chemistry is around unsaturated fatty acid, omega-3, omega-6 fatty acid, antioxidants, and how to clear the free radicals and how to reduce the oxidative stress. This is today's science and phytochemistry. So all are around that. So here the walnut oil plays very important role as antioxidant and as a anti-inflammatory, and it is very rich source of this omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. And I have already discussed in detail the positioning of omega-3 and omega-6, means double bond and then carbon chain. How they count omega is terminal carbon CH3, that is omega, and 1, 2, 3 means at 3 position there is double bond, that is called omega-3 oil. Again, omega means methyl group, terminal carbon. From there, if you are counting 6 carbon where there is double bond, it is omega-6. These are two very, very important compounds. Also, this one, this walnut oil is very much helpful to those people who are suffering from dementia or Alzheimer's, means the brain health. Brain health means all the neurochemical cells which are produced, they are not damaged. And this inflammation and free radicals, if it is not reduced drastically, they can damage our neurochemistry, neurocells. And once neurochemicals are damaged, cells are damaged, you may get depression, you may get dementia, you may get anxiety. So it is all again the inflammation. Once your brain is inflamed in brain, it will damage your normal brain cells, your normal neuron cells, neuron transmitters, which are responsible of transmitting the signals. So overall, your body inflammation, body free radicals, means oxidative stress should be drastically reduced. And here these polyunsaturated, monounsaturated fatty acids, vitamin E, vitamin C, lot of phytochemicals, anthocyanins, flavonoids, they are all helping a lot to reduce all these things. That's why nowadays we have to be very selective in our food, in our diet, to improve the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory phytochemicals in our body. So here the medicinal value and health benefits of walnut oil. This walnut in Indian language is called akhrot, and it is oil bearing dry nut that is very popular in Asia, Europe and America. The botanical name is Juglans and it belongs to family Juglandaceae. Number 1, walnut oil, akhrot tail in Indian language, is native tree to North. Actually, the walnut fruit tree is native to North America, South America, Asia, East Europe, Indonesia. and West Indies. So from there we are getting the walnut fruit and the new that Asia and West Indies. Walnut oil can boost skin health. This is one of the best oil today to boost your skin health, and it will protect from degeneration, from lining, from premature aging because of the presence of omega-3 oil, that is called alpha-linoleic acid, and omega-6 oil, that is called linoleic acid health. And the nutrients in walnut oil may promote good skin health. It may decrease chronic inflammation. That's why this oil and fruit also, walnut acroot, is getting lot of popularity because of its powerful anti-inflammatory property, and that anti-inflammatory property goes to mainly omega-3 fatty acid, and it is very good for those people who are strictly vegetarian, means they are not touching fish and meat, because from deep water fish we also get very good amount of omega-3 fatty acid. So skin health, and it may decrease chronic inflammation. It may help to lower blood pressure. Of course, once your arteries are not inflamed, and in this way your blood will flow smoothly, so it can maintain your blood pressure. It can improve blood sugar control, and it can improve cholesterol. It may have anti-cancer effects. Number 2, walnut oil is extracted by pressing whole walnut, that is by compression method. Once it is pressed and the oil is squeezed out of the whole walnut fruit, and it has nutty, delicate flavor, and it is slightly yellowish, pale yellow in color. It is rich in unsaturated fatty acids, and these unsaturated fatty acids are mainly omega-3 and polyphenolics. Consuming walnut oil may improve heart health also. And number 3, it can boost skin health. 1 tablespoon, 1 table teaspoon, is better to put teaspoon. 1 table teaspoon contains 13.6 gram of walnut oil, and that 13.6 walnut oil contains 8 gram of omega-3 fatty acids. So rich. Walnut is one of the richest source of omega-3 fatty acid, and then it's called alpha-linoleic acid, that is ALA, and this omega-3 fatty acid from this is the structural component of your skin. I have already told you your skin uppermost layer is the structural unit of omega-6 fatty acid, and below that uppermost layer, your that skin layer is the structural unit of your omega-3 fatty acid. This is very important medicinal chemistry, and because of this omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid, if you are taking, your premature aging of skin and face will be protected. Fatty acid from the structural components of your skin. Omega-3 fatty acid can stimulate skin growth, fight skin inflammation. It also contains omega-6 fatty acid, and that is linoleic acid, that is LA, and this omega-3 fatty acid is the predominant fatty acid of your upper layer of skin. So this is all, I mean, we can say versatile oil for our skin health, and also for our heart and diabetic conditions. So number 4, walnut oil may decrease inflammation and it may fight chronic inflammation which has been linked to heart disease. I have already told you. Actually, all this write-up I am giving for the students to copy down. Otherwise, all this what I am writing here is already discussed. I have already told you. This walnut oil is very rich in omega-3 fatty acid, and that is powerful anti-inflammatory, and it will drastically reduce the overall inflammation of our body, including our arteries. And once it is drastically reduced, the chance of injury of our arteries, or we can say the smoothness of our wall of arteries will not be there, and in this way there will not be formation of any platform for thrombus or blood clotting. And once there is platform, there is seedling to grow for blood clotting or for thrombus formation, means you are heading towards heart attack, stroke and serious heart problem. And linked to heart disease, walnut oil is rich in polyphenol, and that mainly polyphenol is called L-arginine, and this L-arginine is a very powerful antioxidant as well as anti-inflammatory compound, and which is converted by gut bacteria. Once you are taking this oil or walnut fruit itself, your gut bacteria, which is in your intestine, stomach, that will convert into a very beneficial compounds, and that compound will reduce your all these conditions. Number 5, walnut oil helps to lower blood pressure. I have already told you is a very good oil, or the walnut fruit itself, dry fruit, oil bearing fruit, which can reduce or which can maintain blood pressure, because it will clear and make the smooth our arteries, more flexible, with more strength, so it will not be having any narrowing of the arteries, so blood flow can be normal. So in this way your blood pressure will be normal and reduced. Some recent research studies, there are a lot of recent research papers suggest that consuming walnut oil may improve the blood vessel function, and that lead to lower blood pressure. It can also improve blood sugar control. Also, there are a lot of research papers that if you are taking this walnut, it can help to type 2 diabetes, means hyperglycemia, and it will normalize your blood sugar. So, lot of papers are there recently. So, research suggests that the walnut oil may help people with type 2 diabetes by lowering their blood sugar and hemoglobin A1C, which is linked to that diabetes levels. Number 6, walnut oil may improve cholesterol level. That is, nowadays I have already given this we can say information, that now doctors, they add in their prescription, if somebody is having bad cholesterol or a lot of cholesterol level is high, he will recommend that please go and use walnut oil or walnut fruit, add in your diet, because of its richness of omega-3 fatty acid and omega-6 fatty acid, and they are responsible of drastically reducing the bad cholesterol, that is called LDL, low density lipoprotein, and it will improve the high density lipoprotein, that is called good cholesterol. And this fatty acid, omega-3, will not allow the free radical attack on the lipid, on the fat, to convert into LDL, bad cholesterol. That is the function of your omega-3 fatty acid. Consuming walnut oil may lead to lower level of triglycerides and LDL, bad cholesterol, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Walnut oil contains compound called urolithin. That urolithin is powerful anti-cancerous compound. So this is also another latest finding, that It can also play the role of we can say decreasing the risk factor of cancer. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture. Please, my always request is, these are all scientific information are very important for everybody. Whether one is scientist or one is layman or one is manager or politician, because health is important for everybody. So my request is, please subscribe and share as much as possible so that let the maximum people or thousands of people can get the benefit out of these lectures. Thank you very much once again.